So you've just logged into Google Classroom for the first time and you're ready to start using this with students. What I'm going to show you in this video is how to add students to your classroom, how to add assignments to your classroom, and a couple other features you want to consider right away. I'm going to go ahead and add a class. We're in my classroom right now. I don't want to join a class, but I want to create a class. I'm going to put my name. If you're just using one Google Classroom, you'll want to just put your class name, but if you're using multiple sections for multiple subjects, you might want to use the section line. I'm just going to create a classroom with my name. I'm going to go ahead and create, and it's going to set up my classroom. You notice the three main pages here in the navigation. You have Stream, Students, and About. And Stream is where we can add announcements or assignments. In Students is where we can add students and manage our students. The first thing I want to do is I want to change the setting here where it says students can post and comment. For right now, I don't want any students doing any commenting or posting on this page. It still means that they can add assignments, they just can't post comments. So I'm going to go only teacher can post and comment. I then want to start inviting students. In order to invite students, I need to change from my contacts to directory, and at this point I can start adding students. I'm just going to type in a student and go ahead and search. Okay, here is Charles Williams. I'm going to go ahead and add Charles. There are two Charles Williams with the same address, which surprises me a little bit. So I'm just going to choose one. It's the same one, so I'm just going to go ahead and choose. I'm going to add one more student. You can see them listed along the bottom. Once I have all the students that I want to invite, I go ahead and invite students. When I invite students, when they go to their Google Classroom, the next time they will see a classroom invite from me, and they're going to be prompted to join. Okay? So now I've invited my students. I've changed the setting on that I want only teachers to post or comment. Let's go back to the stream. When I am ready to post an assignment, I'm going to click on assignment. I'm going to title it and describe it, and then I'm going to add the due date. When I do that, once I've got all that done, I'm going to go ahead and assign. So let's say this is example description. The due date is the 23rd. And then I'm going to go ahead and assign. If I wanted to post a template, a video, attach a document or a link, I could do that here. I'm going to go ahead and assign. And now our assignment is posted. When students go into their account, they'll be able to see the assignment is posted, and will be able to either type right in that assignment box, or be able to post an assignment for you to look at. Last thing you might want to consider is changing your class theme. I always change mine to the book one. I don't know why. Oops. And then I can select the class theme. So in this particular video, we saw how to add students, and we saw how to add an assignment, and a couple other basics in Google Classroom.